Welcome to the rich and flavorful world of Pakistani cuisine with our extended Haleem recipe. Haleem, a traditional stew, is a staple in Pakistani households, especially during special occasions. This dish is unique for its combination of grains, lentils, and meat, cooked slowly to create a comforting and hearty meal. Our culinary journey begins with the preparation of the grains and lentils. We use a mixture of wheat, barley, and various lentils, like red lentils, yellow lentils, and split chickpeas. These are soaked overnight to soften them, which is essential for achieving the right texture in the haleem. Once the grains and lentils are soaked, we cook them in a large pot with plenty of water. This mixture is simmered on a low flame for several hours. The goal is to cook them until they completely break down and form a thick, porridge-like consistency. Stirring occasionally is important to ensure that the mixture doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. While the grains and lentils are cooking, we prepare the meat. Traditionally, haleem is made with beef or mutton, but chicken can also be used. The meat is marinated in a blend of spices, including ginger, garlic, red chili powder, turmeric, and a special haleem masala. This masala typically includes spices like cumin, coriander, and garam masala, giving the haleem its distinctive flavor. The marinated meat is then cooked until it is tender and can be easily shredded. Once the meat is cooked, it is shredded and added to the pot with the grains and lentils. The addition of the meat transforms the dish, adding richness and depth of flavor. To enhance the richness of the haleem, we add a generous amount of ghee or clarified butter. This not only adds flavor but also gives the haleem a smooth and creamy texture. The final step is to simmer the haleem with all the ingredients combined. This allows the flavors to meld together and the texture to become homogeneous. The slow cooking process is key to developing the deep, complex flavors characteristic of a good haleem. Once the haleem is ready, it is traditionally garnished with fried onions, fresh ginger, chopped green chilies, and a squeeze of lemon juice. These garnishes add a burst of flavor and a touch of freshness to the dish. Some people also like to top their haleem with fresh coriander and mint leaves. Served with naan or rice, Pakistani haleem is a meal that is both nourishing and satisfying. Its rich flavors and comforting texture make it a beloved dish for many. This extended Pakistani haleem recipe is more than just a set of instructions. It's a journey through the heart of Pakistani culinary traditions. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook, this recipe will guide you to create a dish that's rich in history and flavor. Let's bring the authentic taste of Pakistani haleem to your kitchen and enjoy a meal that's truly unforgettable.